Hey there, welcome back to Couture Crave. If it is your first time here, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our cool videos. Today we have got something special for our brides to be gorgeous bridal purses and clutches. They are like the finishing touch to your bridal look, and we have got options for every style. Check out this beauty, it is so detailed and pretty. Imagine holding it on your big day, it is like carrying a piece of art with you. But wait, there is more. If you like modern stuff, we have got these cool hand purses. They have not just cute, they are also super handy. You can keep all your important stuff in there and look stylish at the same time. So whether you like classic or modern, we have got something you will love. Look in the description for more info on these awesome finds. And if you have not yet, hit subscribe to see more bridal stuff and more latest and trendy collection from us. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you next time on Couture Crave. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and don't forget to share this video because sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about these latest and newest trendy clutches and purses. Thanks for watching my video. Stay awesome and stay inspired.